Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you what is eBay and how does it work. And for that, subscribe to our channel to stay with our festival tech all the time. So here we can see eBay website. So actually, what is eBay? eBay is one of the oldest and most successful e-commerce websites on the internet, but it doesn't sell any items itself. Instead, it allows users to list items for sale, which other users can then bid on in auctions. Recently, eBay has also added options to buy items at face value or submit price offers for them. So here we can see eBay. So shop by category. If you want to shop anything like electronics, phones and accessories, computer, tablets and networking, video games and consoles, consumer electronics, motors, cars, car track parts, motorcycles, sports. If you want to purchase anything from here by using eBay, you can purchase or sell anything. So we are going to select phones and accessories. So phones and accessories, take the next step with your communication technology. Shop by category. So mobile phone cases, covers and skins. If you want to purchase any cases for your mobile phone, you can purchase here from here. Mobile phone screen protectors, mobile phones, iPhones, Samsung mobile phones, Huawei mobile phones, mobile phone cables and adapters, mobile phone chargers and holders, smart watches. So here you can see actually limited time deals. Actually this is the offer for your customer. This is the offer. For example, Oppo Find X3 Pro 5G 256 GB or 12 GB 6.7 or etc. Here we can see the previous amount was 1699.99. Here we can see that 24% off. Actually 24% is discount for you this product. Now this product price is 1295.99. So now we'd like to select cards. So if you want to purchase any cards or sell any cards, 2015 model Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 3L Turbo Diesel 4x4 4WD. So here you can see 41,000. A best of 18 watching. Here is many customers watching this product. Actually these are the old version cards, or if you want to sell anything like a new version cards, you can sell here by using eBay. So I think this is the very good e-commerce website for the Australia. And here we can see clothing, shoes and accessories, men's clothing, shoes and accessories. Here we can see shoes. Here you can see pants. Here you can see men's shirts, men's coats and jackets. Many other products are here. So watch list. We're watching like men's fashionable dresses. If you want to sell here, make money selling on eBay, list an item, getting started, you can start here. Selling is easy on eBay and Australia's largest nationwide marketplace. We have got your back. So Selling as a business, we make it easy, learn more. So if you want to sell, list an item. What type of product you want to sell, you need to tell here, like fashion, fashion jewelry. You want to sell a fashion, a brand of solutions. So if you want to skip this, you can skip here. Business settings, basic, my eBay. You can log in here. I'm human. Please click each image containing motorcycle here. So if you want to log in here, you need to fill up here your email or username, then continue. Or if you are a newcomer, then please select your continue with Facebook or Google account. So actually this is eBay. It's a really successful e-commerce website on the internet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay with your festival day. Thank you.